Huawei mobile phone P20 Lite about charging problems. This customer complained that the mobile phone could not be charged. After confirming that the charger was working properly, the P20 Lite was connected, but there was still no response. Connect the charging inspection device to confirm there is no charging current and the charging function does not work. We first repair the charging function and then check other functions, such as the power management module, display part, radio frequency module, etc. Before disassembling, check the state of the whole machine. Take out the card tray. Then place back down on a heating plate at 70 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. Using the special suction cup, lift a small slit. Insert the disassembly sheet and gently scrape between the back cover and middle frame. Note the boot tab cannot be inserted too deep to avoid scratching the back to board flex cable. When lifting the cover towards the camera, do not use too much force. If the amplitude is too large, the angle should not exceed 87 degrees to prevent the flex cable from being broken. Remove the back cover and disconnect the flex cable for a printer finger tube board. The lower subboard has 8 screws. After unscrewing the screws, remove the cover. The lower cover plate integrates the speaker, main antenna, and the submerged channel of the main microphone to avoid human damage. Unplug all wiring, gently remove the subboard module. The daughter board integrates a module with a USB communication interface. No traces of liquid are found, and liquid damage is ruled out. Under the microscope, it was found that all the solder joints of the USB interface were broken, and the charge port traces were broken. The basic judgment is that when inserting the USB connector, the force is too strong, or when charging, The USB plug swings too much, causing the whole roll of USB welding feet to break.